Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you a new way to get Delta Executor on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I already have it installed on my iPhone, and it's working smoothly. I entered the key, and it worked right away. Getting it set up is simple. Just watch the full video and follow each step carefully. By the end, you should have Delta Executor running on your device too. So, let's get started with the tutorial. Before we start, there are a couple of quick settings you need to change. This part is only for iOS users. If you're on Android, you can skip ahead to the next step. First, open your settings, go to General, and make sure background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app run smoothly in the background. Next, go into battery settings and turn off low power mode. Low power mode can slow things down, and we definitely don't want that. Once those settings are done, you're ready to continue. Now open your internet browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, and go to delta-install.com. This is the website where you can download Delta Executor. Once you're on the website, the first thing you'll need to do is choose which device you're using. Select Android if you're on an Android phone, or iOS if you're using an iPhone or iPad. After you choose your device, the website will begin connecting to your phone and preparing the Delta Executor installation. Once you reach the next page, you'll see that there are 2 plugin files you need to download. These plugins are required so the installation can finish properly and everything works the way it should. Don't worry, this part is very simple. All you need to do is pick one of the plugin options from the list. After you select it, you'll be redirected to either the official App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. From there, just install the app like you normally would. As you can see, I selected one of the options, and it took me straight to the official App Store, which makes the process simple and easy to follow. Once the first plugin is installed, go back to the website and repeat the same steps for the second plugin. Make sure both plugins are downloaded and installed before moving on. After you finish installing both of them, you should automatically be redirected to a confirmation page. This means the setup is almost complete. Once the confirmation page appears, Delta Executor should begin installing on your device. And that's pretty much it. The whole process is quick and easy as long as you follow each step carefully. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow the instructions exactly so everything works properly.